Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to be both unboxing and kind of doing some mod shots for a new tote bag that I got. Oh my gosh, how exciting. The tote bag that I received is from Rothy's. There are a few reviews for it already on YouTube, but not in the color that I got, so I just wanted to share and give any of my own personal thoughts if I had any. I imagine these are kind of stacked on the shelves like this, and it shows exactly what kind of pattern the item is. Very cool because it reminds me of like getting a wand from wherever the hell that place is in Harry Potter. I'm sorry, I'm not the expert. Okay, watch this. Ooh, I thought it was gonna be smooth. Actually, I can just unbox it like that though, huh? I love that the packaging is very simple. I don't need it to be luxurious, honestly. I don't need a bunch of like fluff and things, okay? This, unnecessary, but whatever. It's really just a piece of construction paper, so it's not like a lot of stuff. And here it is. How amazing. Beautifully folded. Gorgeous. Love that it is in just a cardboard box so I can throw it in my recycling. Due to the softness of our materials, Rothy's bags may crease during transit. I really don't care. And you can use a clothes steamer or iron to smooth them out. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna throw stuff in it. I'm sure it'll get the wrinkles out. So, I thought this was such a simple pattern, very reminiscent of all the other luxury brands there are out there. I don't own any Rothy shoes, okay? So this is my first look into the material that the shoes are made out of, because the bag is pretty much made out of the same things that the shoe is made out of. And what are the shoes made out of? You know, this fabric is a type of plastic. One of the things that the company usually brings up as part of their marketing is that they get a lot of, or they create their shoes out of plastic bottles. So they're kind of reusing something that would be wasted otherwise. I did not purchase this on the grounds of sustainability, okay? Because in my opinion, if you really just want to be sustainable, then like, don't buy a new bag, to be honest. Like, I probably have enough bags to last me at least like the next 20 years. You know, they probably aren't going to break down like that. I bought this because it's a cool fabric bag that's lightweight and I like the pattern, okay? That's me being really upfront about it. So here's this light kind of Rothy signature blue, cobalt blue. I love the cobalt blue that they kind of feature on a few of their different products. They made masks at one point, and then they have on their shoes right at the heel, they have this little blue color. I just think that's really beautiful. I don't know, there's something really alluring about it, and I think they do a good job about that. Sorry, I'm flopping around. I really should kind of just show how it looks like as is. You know, very much never full, very much Goyard, Saint Louis, or whatever it is, very much Louis, YSL, whatever bag that they have, you know, except rather than it being a leather with, you know, the YSL, or a canvas material like Louis Vuitton and Goyard, this is just another type of plastic bag. Isn't that an interesting way to think about it? It has a beautiful pattern, okay? Like I said, I got this because of its looks, as well as somewhat the lightweightness, but it's from how I have felt canvas bags, the Goyard is definitely the lightest. It may even be heavier than the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Maybe. If you're comparing between any kind of leather tote though, yeah, for sure, this one's way lighter. Even if you're comparing with a canvas bag though, you know, that one's gonna be lighter ultimately. So just gotta think about why you're buying this thing, okay? I just wanted something that was, one, a good price, a good quality that would last, and something that wasn't so in your face brand logo-y. So not only am I saving like thousands of dollars by getting this, but It's also something that's not like super recognizable. It's called the signature print. I don't know if they're how long this has been around or if they're trying to make it a thing, but I don't look at something like this and I go, Rothy's, you know? That's not coming to me. Or, you know how Coach and like Michael Kors and stuff, they have their little logo. I'm not looking at that and going, oh my gosh, Coach, Michael Kors. And they're also mimicking Louis Vuitton, you know? I do kind of look at this and go, yeah, they are probably kind of like mimicking Goyard-ish, like, or like any pattern type of thing. But it's very unique. Okay, I'm not immediately going, this looks like blank. And I appreciate that. I know, I talk so much. So I don't know what you're here for other than me talking about a bag. Here is a look at the inside. Hopefully I can show it well. It does feature a little clip over here. I believe the size larger, the Mega Tote. So this comes in 3 sizes actually. This is the middle standard size. There's one bigger called the Mega Lightweight Tote or something akin to that. And that one I think has like a pocket inside over here. So it's a bit of organization. It's a separator. So I wish I had that in the smaller one too, but the mega one was just like way too huge for me. So I'm not going to fill that up and then be weighed down and be crushed by the weight of life. There, you see that? That is the logo that's inside. I thought it was going to be this blue as well, but it's not. It is a beige that matches this string, so very nice. There's also a little bit of stitching on the side over here that matches that beige color. If I were to compare this with another ripple, I would say that this is taller just by looking at it. So it's deeper going in, as well as the base is definitely wider than a size Louis Vuitton bag. Just if you're curious. Here's a look at the hardware. It doesn't seem super cheap. It's not a super yellowy gold. It's very, if there was maybe a champagne color, that's what I would describe this as. But otherwise, I don't think there's any other hardware. Nice thicker straps. And let me show you what it looks like on the body yaddy yaddy. So I, important to note, am 5'7" and 150 pounds on a good day. Okay? I'm going to use this most likely for work because it just looks really chic. I'm probably also going to be using this on the weekend, you know, when I want to carry a bunch of stuff or I go to a farmer's market or something. So, this is what it looks like. I'm walking around. Let me fill it with stuff like a MacBook 13-inch. I believe this one's still a 13-inch. I know there's 14 inches out there now. But I'll let you know if I think a 14-inch would fit too. Yeah, I'm sure the 14-inch would fit, no problem, because that was not a struggle. There she blows. It's almost wide enough. It's like, this is one side of the laptop and this is the other one. So if you have other stuff in there, it'll lay more flat. Fill it with some things, like this whole bag. This is my current bag that I use just for my everyday. It's the Aloha Collection crossbody bag. Love it. Handle. Oh, I forgot. There's also, sorry, I forgot to mention there's a size smaller. They're called the Petite Tote. And that also comes with these side rings that you can attach a crossbody strap to. So if you wanted something that's a little bit closer to maybe something like this that you could wear every day, that's an option. But I'm just going to put this in here so that we can really stuff it and see how thick it becomes. A giant obnoxious camera that I have that I love taking photos with, but I really don't love carrying around because it's not the most convenient thing. Okay, there it is. So this is how it'll stick out if you kind of fill it up at least like half, fill it up halfway. Okay. At this point, I don't know what else there is to say. Oh, except that here's another beautiful thing about this versus other, even, you know, luxury brand canvas bags is, since this is, or not canvas, well, yeah, canvas, plasticky made bags, this can be thrown in the laundry. I did get a black, so it's almost like, what's the point? But if there's a beautiful, like, almost coffee color that's also in the signature print, but I believe they only come, it only comes in like the smaller size. But if you get one of their lighter color bags, because there are so many prints, or a solid bold color and it gets dirty, you know, you can put it in the wash. That's an option. So something to be a little more carefree with, and that's always a great thing about a bag. So that's how much it sticks out from my body if I wear it. I think it's pretty comfortable. The straps, from what I can tell right now, are not coming off, but of course the more you fill a bag, that can always be a risk. But I'm hoping not to fill this one up too much. This will probably be the max of what I'm bringing to work. It can fit my lunch, you know, but I also have a backpack, so I'll just put that kind of stuff in there. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions, specifically, I am happy to answer them in the comments. I don't believe this bag has like that much hype or anything, so I doubt people are going to be really desperate for this video, but I did just want to share because I was a little desperate to see somebody review or show this color. But I think maybe it just came out and that's why no one has had it. Or no one's made too much of a stinker video on it just yet. So there it is. Hope you love it. Hope you're having a good day. Talk to you later. Alrighty. Bye bye.